Nutrition plays an important role in maintaining brain health as it influences a series of cognitive functions, such as attention, memory, and learning, thus protecting the brain from the development of various neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. There are some foods which, following the results of some scientific studies, have been shown to possess neuroprotective properties. But what are they? Let's go see them. Dark chocolate. Obtained from the seeds of the cocoa tree, chocolate has an ancient history that has its roots in the ancient pre-Columbian civilizations of Central and South America, where it was considered the food of the gods. Its irresistible flavor and its potential beneficial effects on health have made chocolate one of the most loved and consumed foods in the world. The dark one in particular has attracted the attention of the scientific community due to its numerous beneficial properties, including those on the brain. Dark chocolate contains numerous substances, including a fairly high percentage of antioxidant molecules, in particular flavonoids, present in greater quantities in the form of epicatechin. These substances perform numerous beneficial actions on the brain and induce widespread stimulation of cerebral perfusion. That is, they stimulate adequate vascularization within the brain, thus providing a greater supply of oxygen and nutrients to brain cells. The antioxidant substances present in chocolate also cause angiogenesis, the process of formation of new blood vessels starting from existing ones, and neurogenesis, the process of birth and development of new nerve cells and new connections between neurons. The flavonoids in chocolate also cause changes in the morphology of neurons, mainly in regions involved in learning and memory, thus preserving cognitive abilities, and at the same time reducing the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease and stroke. However, it is good to remember that not all types of chocolate are the same, and consequently the benefits on brain health. Experts recommend consuming dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa, as it contains more flavonoids and less sugar and fat than white or milk chocolate. Eggs. Laid by hens around the 6th month of age and then collected by hand by farmers, eggs represent one of the most popular and versatile foods in the world, suitable for the preparation of numerous recipes, both sweet and savory. Rich in proteins of high biological value, and in particular in essential amino acids, but also in vitamins and mineral salts, eggs bring numerous health benefits, including brain health. This is because they are one of the best food sources of choline, an essential component of cell membranes and an important nutrient for the production of acetylcholine, neurotransmitter responsible for nerve transmission. During the aging process, a smaller quantity is produced, resulting in a decline in memory and an increased risk of developing certain neurological conditions. According to the result of a study conducted by some Japanese researchers on a sample of middle-aged and elderly men, the intake of choline contained in egg yolk increased the levels of acetylcholine in the brain and improved memory and ability of learning. However, it is not clear whether taking choline can prevent or reduce the incidence of dementia, so further studies will be necessary. However, it has been suggested that introducing regular consumption of egg yolk choline into the diet is an effective strategy for maintaining brain function in adults without dementia. Eggs also contain other important nutrients, such as lutein and tryptophan, which have been associated with improved cognitive function. Vitamin B12, found in eggs, also plays a crucial role in maintaining brain health and the functioning of the nervous system. This is because it participates in the synthesis of myelin, a substance that envelops and protects nerve fibers like a sort of sheath, allowing the correct conduction of nerve impulses and amplifying their transmission speed. It is good to remember, however, that the vitamin B12 contained in eggs appears to be poorly absorbed compared to other products of animal origin, such as meat and fish. It is therefore important to include a variety of sources of vitamin B12 in your diet in order to maintain optimal levels of this nutrient. Green tea. Cultivated since ancient times in China, India, and Japan, green tea is a drink obtained by infusing the leaves of Camellia sinensis, a small evergreen shrub with white flowers and numerous golden yellow stamens. Green tea is known for its countless health benefits, mainly attributed to the bioactive compounds found in the leaves, including polyphenols. Among these, we find epigallocatechin gallate, a natural compound of plant origin that has shown antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-tumor, and neuroprotective properties. This is because it has been shown to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, limit brain inflammation and neuronal damage, as well as promote neurite growth, the extensions of the nerve cells. Following a study conducted at the Chinese National Clinical Research Center for Neurological Diseases, it was found that habitual consumption of green tea is associated with a lower prevalence of cognitive impairment in middle-aged and elderly individuals, which is mainly reflected on memory and executive functions. Epigallocatechin gallate has also shown neuroprotective effects on Alzheimer's disease, as it appears to inhibit the accumulation of beta-amyloid. It is a protein produced mainly in the brain, which, however, if it begins to accumulate in an anomalous way, gives rise to the formation of amyloid plaques, thus damaging the synapses in neurons until their death. Daily intake of catechins, a group of antioxidant substances contained in green tea, appear to be effective in delaying the harmful effects of aging and preventing neurodegenerative diseases. This is because, following some studies, green tea polyphenols have been shown to promote neurogenesis, that is the formation of new brain cells, and neuroplasticity, that is the brain's ability to modify its structure and functionality in response to stimuli to which it is subjected. As we have just seen, green tea is rich in bioactive compounds that give it a wide range of beneficial health properties. Although several studies have shown promising results, further research is needed to delve deeper into the exact mechanism of action of the substances contained in green tea, and above all to confirm their effectiveness in the prevention of neurodegenerative diseases. In conclusion, to keep the brain healthy and preserve cognitive functions as much as possible, thus counteracting cognitive decline, it is important to start from what we eat. A healthy and balanced diet, it is associated with better mental health, higher cognitive functions, and even higher amounts of gray matter in the brain, compared to those who followed a less balanced diet.